land. If the size of the land is small, let's say the size of the land is 50 by 100, and you created a design that can occupy a space of 100 by 100, that is to tell you that you cannot be able to fit in that design into a 50 by 100 plot of land, because it will definitely not be okay for that plot of land. It will be more, the building will be even be more than the size of the plot, which is very, very wrong. So it is very important for you to make inquiry to know the size of the plot of your land, so as to determine the dimension, the size of your architectural building plan, the size of the plan that you have to create for the design. To be able to determine the size of a building for a given plot, you have to consider the various setbacks. Setback at the back of the building, then at the side of the building, the two sides of the building, what's the setbacks, then at the front of the building, that's offset from the road to the building line, that's from the road, the offset distance that is supposed to be there, the minimum distance. You have to know the minimum distance for these various setbacks, because it is very important. Because if your setbacks does not meet town planning regulation, they will not accept it, and it will be very, very bad for the design. So those setbacks, minimum distance, is very important. You can go above the setbacks, the minimum distance for the setbacks, but it should not be less than the minimum distance. These are the things that you have to consider when you are creating your design. It should meet up with town planning regulations. They have their rules on the minimum distance for every of the setbacks, so you have to consider that. And also the area built, percentage built, area unbuilt. So those are the things that you have to consider during your construction. The area built should not be more than half of the area of plots. So there are must meet up with town planning regulations. Is very important for any building design, for any building construction. The regulations must be abide with. The next question you have to ask the client is, has the plot been surveyed? Because survey plan is very important when it has to do with the design of your plot, because the survey will determine the boundary of the plot. It is easier for you to plot your design on survey plan, because survey plan will determine the behavior of the land.